Welcome to your personalized Fit Metabolism running performance program video. So as you're looking here, what we've got is you running in both a side view and a back view, side view on the left, back view on the right. Now you notice the video slowed down because it gives us a better opportunity to actually look at what you're doing in your running stride. Now, there's both injury prevention and running performance. Because injury prevention would precede running performance, that's actually where we're going to put our attention for this video. On the right, what you can see is that especially during the landing phase, is that the knees tend to end up much narrower than the hips. So I'm going to zoom in here and just show you exactly what I mean. Taking just the right video and zoomed in. And now on the left, what you can actually see is that during most of this phase, the knees are coming in to be at a basically smaller distance apart than where they should be. What this creates is that the upper leg is actually at quite an angle, putting a stress on the outer part of the knee, and potentially can lead to either knee pain or knee issues down the road, either running or not running. So what I'm going to do here is introduce Zach, and he's going to show us a video, or show us an exercise that can be used to start to mitigate some of this movement and activate the right muscles so that you carry this through right into running.
It all depends on how advanced the individual is, but I'd probably recommend starting off on the elbow. And what you're going to do is, Shane, if you want to grab that stick, you're going to get into an oblique bridge or a side plank, but you're going to be on your knee. So I'm going to get down here, and I'll face the camera so you can get a good look at it. So I'll start on the elbow first. What you're going to do here is, both knees are on top of each other, and you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together and lift this arm up in the air while getting your hips up as high as you can. Now the reason why I have Shane with the stick is what he's going to do is, I'm going to get up into my knees, and he's going to take a look, he's going to kind of line it up with my knee, my hip, and my shoulder to make sure everything's in line. Now Shane, I don't know why I can't really take a look at that. How's that look?
Hips down a little.
Down there?
Forward a little, and then
forward
just
right
a little
there.
lower. Yeah, that's better.
Okay, so he's got a good position. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. From this position, the whole goal is to try and lift the hips up as high as you can off the ground, which means I'm putting a lot of strain on the left knee, so my bottom knee. And you're going to get activation of the internal external obliques, or your side abdominal or core muscles. So what you're going to do from here is lift the knee up as high as you can, but also try and keep the hips up as high as you can, and you're trying to push as much pressure into that knee, my bottom knee, as possible. And for me right away, I feel that my goal is to get this left glute firing or burning. So the one that the glute that's closest to the ground. And go nice and controlled.
So what you can see here is that you want the knee in line with the hip, as well in line with the shoulder, so everything's nicely lined up in one plane.
Lift that leg up. Everything's still in line as I do it. So when I lift this up, I'm not tilting my hips back, and I lift up, which tells me you're not activating that glute. So everything's got to stay in good alignment.